Go.
Hey guys, it's me, FG Footballers, and I'm back here with another episode. I know it's been a very long time. So, and I got this for Christmas. And you would know what it is. The 7th generation iPad. Now let's open it. Okay, now it's so cool. It's so dope. I really wanted this so bad. And I finally got it. Oh my
شوي
gosh.
جورج عشان ما فيش شيء لسه كفر.
Oh my
استنى
god.
لا استنى.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's an iPad. It's colored black. It comes with so guys, it comes with this wire. Yeah, and also it has this thing. It says designed by Apple in California. And what are these things? Huh. I think this is for the charger. And this is so cool. It's so dope, guys. Now we're going to take off this part and feel it. Now, it's not too light, not too heavy, but in my opinion, it's really cool. It doesn't turn on yet because I just got it, but it's so cool, guys. It's so dope. And this is the best thing of my life. And now I'm going to start filming videos on this thing. And guys, bye and peace out.